Out of red.
Out of red suits?
Hmm?
Okay. What happened to the stockings?
It's on there.
What happened?
It was not that. So needed the red wood to put on there.
So you needed red wood to put on there?
And so they painted the wood red with pink. That's all.
Red with paint to put on where?
The
Santa's sleigh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Santa comes out of the spaceship and the astronaut said, "Goodbye, Santa."
The astronaut said, "Goodbye, Santa." And what did Santa say?
And him, and then the reindeers painted it. And it was all shiny and red.
All shiny and red. And what did Santa say?
And it was on the reindeer's face.
What?
A little bit.
What was on the reindeer's face?
A little dirty on Rudolph's nose.
It was a little dirty?
A little bit.
Okay.
And so, the reindeer seen him, and it was all dirty. So, them seen the light.
They saw the light?
They eat the light.
They ate the light?
Wow. Did their bellies light up?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Them choked on the light bulb.
That doesn't sound good.
They choked on the light bulb.
And then
Did somebody come and save them?
Santa comes in the chimney. But there was not in there anymore. There was in the fire.
Uh-oh.
Then there had to be turned off in the fire. But the reindeer melted with the fire on there.
Oh no, the firemen didn't come and save them?
No.
Why not?
And then the fireman didn't put the fire out.
Well, why didn't they do their job?
Because then I was stay at the fire.
Oh.
And so them did come and so them dead and put the fire, but Santa put it down with
With what, his ho-ho-ho?
him hose and put it out, but the reindeer melted and Santa started to try.
Oh, poor Santa. With no reindeer. So what happened after he started to cry?
Took him on his mom to see what happened to the reindeer.
Did his tears put the fire out and save the reindeer?
No.
No? That's so sad.
Because him started painting the reindeers up before pump. And the reindeers pumped up.
They pumped up?
And then they went outside?
Mm-hmm.
And did they get in the sleigh?
Mm-hmm.